Want to remove the background of your video using CapCut? Whether it's for a short film, content creation, or a simple edit, here's how to do it step by step. First, open CapCut on your PC and create a new project. Click Import and choose the video you want to edit. Once it's added, drag it into the timeline. Now, select your video on the timeline. On the top right panel, make sure the video section is selected. By default, you'll see the Basic tab, but we're going to change that. Scroll or slide to the right until you find the Cutout tab. Inside the Cutout tab, you'll see an option called Auto Cutout. Tick the checkbox. CapCut will now analyze your video and automatically remove the background using AI, no green screen needed. This works best when the subject is clearly visible and the background has some contrast. So, if your video was recorded in good lighting, the results will be even better. After the background is removed, you can place any new background you want, a photo, a color, a video, or even an animated scene. Once you're happy with the result, export your video and you're done. That's how easy it is to remove a background with AI on CapCut. Drop a comment if you want more tutorials like this and follow for the next one.